Hello, this is Marlene with WTI, and I wanted to show you this next product. These are actually a set of bowls from Table Concept, and we have to say that we absolutely love this set and the fact that they have lids. How cool is that? So we use them for so many different things. I use them to store my fruits. I also use them to store my marinated meat inside of a silver bags and keep that seasoning contained there. And especially since I'm putting it in the freezer or the refrigerator, I can keep my meat contained there. So that is really cool. My husband loves to make scrambled eggs on the small one and to make pancake batter in the medium one. So that is really, really cool. So I mean, the use is endless. You can use these for so many different things. Put your salad on, serve food. So that is really cool. And because they are stainless steel, they are pretty resistant to water stain or any like finger marks or anything like that. So again, if you are looking for a set of mixing bowls, I will definitely recommend these ones from Table Concept. But hey, that is just my point of view.